Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegib.com, link in the description below. Title, A Beginner's Guide to Creating Python Games, Copy and Paste Tutorial. Introduction. In this tutorial, we'll explore the basics of creating simple games using Python, focusing on a copy and paste example to help you get started quickly. We'll be using the Pygame library, a popular choice for game development in Python. Prerequisites. Step 1, Install Pygame. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command to install Pygame. Step 2, Setting up your project. Create a new directory for your game project and navigate to it in the terminal or command prompt. Inside the project directory, create a new Python file, example game.py. Step 3, Copy and paste example. Copy the following code and paste it into your game.py file. Step 4, Run your game. Save the game.py file and run it using the following command in the terminal or command prompt. You should see a window with a simple game where you can control a player using the left and right arrow keys. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully created a basic Python game using the Pygame.